If you need to recover your Embark Federal Credit Union account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Embark Federal Credit Union website. Go to the official Embark Federal Credit Union website. Look for the login section where you can find options for account recovery or assistance. Step 2. Select Forgot Password or Account Recovery. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in lead databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose an alternative recovery method. Since you do not have access to your phone number, select an alternative recovery method. This could include using your email address or answering security questions that you set up previously. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required information. If you choose email recovery, check your inbox for a recovery link or code sent by Embark Federal Credit Union. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have verified your identity through the chosen recovery method, you will be prompted to reset your password. Create a new password that is strong and secure, then log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Embark Federal Credit Union's customer service for further assistance.